Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video I'm going to show you guys how to do a detachable ponytail for kids. This is very easy to do. Anyone can do this. You can do this in a space of 3 to 5 minutes and you are done. Very easy, and you don't require any much materials, just 2 materials and you're good to go. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. Okay, so guys, these are the 2 materials we need. We need a band and then a kinky. So first thing, you can use anything. I'm making use of a T-pin. Place your band, and for this kinky I will be making use of cutting 6. So I first of all cut it into 2 equal parts, and each of the 2 I'll cut it into 3, making it 6. But I just make use of just these 3. Okay, these 3, the way you see it, just 3 of them. Just as I said, you don't require much materials for this. It's very easy. So when you are done cutting, just go ahead and start knotting the kinky on your hairband. Okay, knot the kinky on the hairband. Continue doing this, be facing it without giving space. Just continue knotting it on the band. You can make use of any band of your choice. This is very easy to do, trust me. Within 5 minutes you are done. You can do this for your kids, you can do it for your baby girl. So just go ahead and keep knotting the zero. You can use any product of your choice, either Darling Expression, any product of your choice. Like I said, very small quantity. You need just small. Just keep knotting the kinky till it's okay. And the next thing is for you to just give it a nice trim. Take your time and trim it. Anyone can do this. You don't need to have any experience for you to do this. It's very easy. Within 5 minutes, trust me, you are done. You can do this for your baby girls. They can just wear it out to party, anywhere, any occasion, anything at all. When they are back, you remove it and then keep it for next time. It's very easy to install. Just use the band and then install it on their hair, either their natural hair, on their weaving, natural weaving, anyone. You can still go ahead and design it with any accessories of your choice. They can still wear it this way, anyhow you prefer. It's very easy. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys find value in this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials. Bye.